Whenever the CEO or HR director or HR manager or hiring manager going to considering for a recruitment agencies or recruitment person wanted to do a outsourcing of the recruitment process, one of the key things coming about in terms of selection criteria is about that recruitment agency are open for all levels or in only particular levels or not. The main problem of this one in coming to it, most of the agencies actually only like to be focused about hiring and helping you on the top level, C-suite or director levels only. But here's the biggest point. In VSHR Pro Academy, RPO Solutions is actually can help you at any levels in the company. So let me explain to you in short. So in your organization, we have a multiple layer of executives, right? It starts with the entry level, there is a manager level or junior manager level, then there will be senior manager level, there is a director level, and then we have a senior director level, and then C-suite level. So some of the agencies only like to focus about senior level and up roles and doesn't really want to get keen about recruiting about the junior level, because one of the reasons is about they don't have such kind of pools. For VSHR Pro Academy, what it has is about it has its own contest named Vietnam's Amazing Student. Thousands of students participating in that one too. Plus, VSHR Academy also organize different kind of recruitment and activities in the schools and universities. So there's always young pipelines in there. At the same time, from professional side, VSHR Pro Academy teams also has recruiters who know exactly who are the talented candidates available in the talent pool in the market. At the same time, also has different kind of program, future leadership programs, also have a career mentoring sessions and so many other activities to work with the professionals and help them to develop themselves. And with that one, Pro Academy has such a big vast of their one too. So that's why VSHR Pro Academy is enable you to provide you the end-to-end solution. It can come from junior level to even a C-suite executive. VSHR Pro Academy RPO solution can bring you the best possible candidates available from the available talent pool. So now it's come to you as well too. You can choose to go for a position based, or you can also go with a bundle of positions you want to recruit at the same time, or even you can go for a subscription based as well too. And one of the cool thing I also want to mention is about you can actually choose to decide that you want to put your logos in each of the job description, or you want to keep it as a private, because one of the key benefits is this one is when you add your logos and it goes to the market, that means you are showing the market that you're hiring. So it's actually bringing a boost up your employer branding, because the people who are working for VSHR Pro Academy with you to find the right talents, they are great professionals. They know how to handle the talents, so they create a great impressions. Indirectly, that brings to you as an employer branding. But however, if you decide that no, I'm not really sure to announce this position right now, you can keep it on a side, and it can be whitelisted your position description and can bring up the right candidates by discussing in the right approach professionally, so they are still interested. So that is how I would like to summarize this one. VSHR Pro Academy can provide you the all level of executives when it comes to hiring to empower your team. So here you go. You are bringing people to solve your business problem, expanding your business problem. So at the end of the day, you need the greatest possible talent available from the market to work with you. And VSHR Pro Academy RPO solution can bring you the best possible available talent to your team to take your career and your company forward towards success. All the best. This is the Success Booster card time. So question of the day. What is your key takeaway of this video so far? Go ahead and comment below the answer. We'll love to see what is the key takeaway. Science said that when you take up a key takeaway and note it down somewhere, you had a 35% chance to be actually doing it in your life to make it value out of it, which is amazing, right? But hang on, 35% is not enough. You need more, and this is the way I'm going to tell you how you can really make it happen. When you make a set of action, a plan that goes to from 35 to 91%, you can really make it happen in your life. So here we go. So from the key takeaway, what is the key action plan you're going to take, which is you learn from the video to your life, make a plan and comment it in publicly and commit into it. And that's what's going to make sure that you got 91% read that is going to really happen to you. Will be able to make it happen and become successfully achieve your goal. And here's the last possible hack. When you announce something, a plan publicly, your 91% goes to 94% to really make it happen in the real life. So go ahead and comment below your plan in the video sections. We would love to see your plan, and we are 100% reply every comments in our channel. So we're gonna see your plan, we're gonna comment it, we're gonna give you a feedback, and we're gonna consult you to help you to make your plan to a reality. And that can go to up to 100% reality happens to your life. And that's how you get your action key takeaway to action plan to success to your life. And you know what? We're also sitting down here to help you and celebrate your success with you. So what are you waiting for? Let's go back to the video, finish it, and we're looking forward to see your action plan. And let's make it happen to your life, because you can do that, right? All the best. Don't forget to make your plan, okay? Don't forget to make your plan. See you soon. Professional manners with available talents, because you already know that the way a company can handle the market in the talent pool matters a lot about how the talent will be responded and also build your employer branding too. So VSHR Pro Academy recruitment consultants are well trained and well skilled about how to use the right way, communication way, all the communication tool they use, the technology platform they use to the right possible talent to make sure that they are interested to join your conversation, to join your team. And also such kind of soft skill you will often struggle to have inside your team. So that whole skill set comes from VSHR RPO solution to do the right professional manner to even selecting the candidates, the initial discussion, scheduling the interview, giving the right feedbacks, offer discussions, negotiation of the salary, and then negotiate the starting date and then onboard them to your company. Number 5 reason, only you are paying for every successful candidates. You are not paying anything upfront. You are paying them and not paying for the positions who are not been selected as well too. You are selecting the candidates who are interviewed with you and you're selected already, and you are only paying for the headcount. But however, the other candidates which you interviewed and coming from VSHR Pro Academy, you are not hiring them for any other role until 18 months without discussing with VSHR Pro Academy. Number 6, you are only paying when you selected the candidates, and then on the first day of you joining the team, and then the rate invoice, and then you will be only paying that time, not upfront, not later too, just paying that time when they're on board and start to work with you. Number 7, the guarantee. In case if you really selected a candidate and you have to cut the headcount for a particular emergency reason or other problems, there will be 50% of the candidate hiring fees will be credited back to your accounts to rehire the next candidate to fill the positions. Number 8, which is a bonus too as well. If you're hiring for a lot of candidates at the same time, you can also subscribe for a subscription-based recruitment solution, which is also very cost-effective, and you will pay them as a prepaid model, and then you keep hiring them based on your subscription headcounts per month. That is very cost-effective when you're hiring for a large amount of team and you're continuously hiring, or your company has a high turnover for a particular reason, or you have to hire a lot of talented people to join it too for a particular transformation has already been conducted. So these are the 8 keys really help you out to understand how cost effective it is to work with VSHR Pro Academy RPO solutions. So if you're looking for RPO solutions, or you thinking about a future way using our RPO solution, there is an email in the description section. Drop an email, then there is a business consultant for VSHR Pro Academy. We'll get in touch with you, discuss with you, take your notes, and help you to design the right solution, to provide you the right solution so you can have the best possible, right candidates from the talent pool can join you, part of your team, and take your business forward to our biggest success. All the best. We're looking forward to hearing you soon.